Hello, my name is Aaron Finch, and I attend the Sonoran Desert Institute. This week we are in ftt106. It is hand and specialty tools, and we are going to be in week 4. Today I will be going over how to disassemble a Glock 48 clone. I'm going to be using a couple different tools. I have a punch hammer. I also have a couple of steel punches. I also have a screwdriver. Yes. And I also have needle noses that I need to actually grab. So I will be right back. So I actually left my needle nose pliers in my car, and my wife took my car. So we will actually be using a 9mm jag. This is a brass jag instead, and we also have a gun cleaning pick, a brush as well, and another pick. I forget the exact name. I apologize, but these are just a couple little tools that we're going to be demonstrating how to use. First, I want to show you that I am using a firearm. It is clear. Pointing in a safe direction. Yep, clear. So I've already taken the upper and lower apart. I'm just gonna start with your punch and your punch hammer. I'm gonna be using metal punches. You have brass punches as well that are like a little softer metal, but you can use punches to take out pins, trigger house pins, pins in the handle grip. You can use punches for all types of things. I like to use a punch to actually remove the firing pin. Actually, I would use a punch and remove the firing pin from the upper as well. But what I'm gonna actually start, I have a little setup right now. I'm using a just a little plastic to have it seated up and elevated. Like I said before, you can use the punches to take out pins and all types of uses for these things, man. I love these things. Like I said, I'm using the metal one, so I'm gonna use the side of the hammer that actually supposed to hit the metal. So yep, that's all it takes. A few punches, and you can see right there, it's already bowed out, and just take it out. So that's just one tool that this is very common for gunsmiths. Sometimes I might even use the punch to actually seat it back in place, just like that, and she's all flushed. That's just one little tool that we use. I also want to go ahead and start with the screwdriver next. So we're going to be moving on to the screwdriver. It's many uses for the screwdriver. It's one of the most proven technology advancements that I've seen. I'm going to actually use this screwdriver to demonstrate that you can take off rear mounted plates to put on red dots. You can also use it's certain screwdrivers that allow you to remove or change your front sight. So just a common little thing that you can use. You just undo this. Yep. You know, just like that. And you know the other one. So let's say I wanted to mount or a customer wanted to mount a red dot or something on there. Okay, so lastly, we have a couple cleaning products. This is a little brush that is commonly used. While that rear mounted plate is off, I was already cleaning this little crease. It had a little dirt and debris. I didn't really have no cleaning solution, so I didn't want to go too deep into detail with it. But as you see, I did a little cleaning of just this little part alone, so you could tell that this gun is a little dirty. I also, like I said, had a 9mm jag. So how this would work, with the same little pole that you have your brush on, you would take this little jag and you will get the barrel, have your cleaning solution. Like I said, I don't have any, but you would stick it down there, you know, down that barrel, and start cleaning out everything that, you know, is dirty on it. In conclusion, my name is Aaron Finch, and like I said, there's just a couple little tools that commonly used and seen in gunsmithing shops around the world. Like I said, I'm in ftt106, and I also attend the Sonoran Desert Institute as well. We are in week 4 of hands and specialty tools, like I said, of FTT 106, and yeah, just a couple common little tools that are seen. And also I will be showing a diagram of just the parts of the Glock that I'm diagnosing, and also just how to break it down a little bit more. I first want to start off by saying I used a Glock 48 clone from PSA in the video, but with the pictures that I'm showing, it's going to actually be relevant to a Glock 42, Glock 43, the single stack version. But as you see, the components and the components of the actual firearm and the tools that I use, it actually helps out a lot. As you see, I told you, you can use the punches to help disassemble the firing pin, the trigger group, and I've even seen people use punches to remove rear sights as well. So that's just one tool that I showed. Not along with the screwdriver as well. There are other, longer bits that will help you reach that front sight post to undo that as well. And also, like I said, I used cleaning tools as well. So just using the common cleaning tools, the pick, the gun cleaning pick, as well as the bronze and nylon brush to get in between those in between spots that are hard to reach for gunsmiths. And most common other tools are things like pliers or needle nose pliers that I plan to use, but like I said, I did not get a chance to grab that out the car. But like I said, in the next picture is just a more expanded or overall measurement of the Glock 43, Glock 42 patented firearms. And you can just see how the measurements just play a major part in creating a overall nice package that